This place is different.
I found God
Special.
on the corner of First and Amistad.
What if
where
everything
the
happened here
West was all but one?
happened for a reason?
Alone, smoking his last cigarette. I said, where you
We're leaving.
He said, ask anything. Where were you? Everything was falling apart. All my days spent by telephone. You never rang. All I needed was a call that never came. To the corner of First
You and I have
and
common interests.
Amistad.
It happened because we left.